Jesus. Okay, straight road. Let's see what this does. In 6th. Whoa! This thing is a death trap no matter what gear you are in. Whoa, jeez! Hey guys, it's Yozy Gamer here, and today I'm back on Forza Horizon 4 with a showcase of something insane. Now this is a Abarth 595, and it's got a wheelie turn on it. Now it can do some very good drag racing, but it's got to be in a very high gear. It's not got to go in 2nd, or 3rd, or 4th, but 5th. It's got to be in 5th so it doesn't wheelie, and it still launches hard. So yeah, I'm going to show what this is like down the drag strip and just driving around, because it's slightly insane. So I'll show you what the heck this thing is. Okay, so first gear. I'm just going to floor it. Yeah, 3rd gear. It frickin' wheel spins and wheelies. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do one pull down the drag strip in 5th. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, this thing is fast, even launching from 5th. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so what I'll do now is launch in, let's say, 3rd, and you'll see what kind of shenanigans and a mess this thing is. Oh, 4th, I'm freaking wheeling. Yeah, this thing is basically uncontrollable unless you're in 5th gear. Okay, well, time to go out on the road properly. Jeez. First person is insane. It's just wheelie no matter what. Oh, like it's hard to drive, but especially how it just lifts off the ground every time I touch the throttle. Okay, well, let's see if I can actually drive this thing normally. Okay, 5th. Oh, yeah, this thing's very quick and has a whole lot of understeer because it's got drag slicks on the front and their minimum width. So, not the greatest. Also, the wheels. I've actually done a cool little colour combination with black and white. It's very basic but looks quite nice. I've also just blacked out everything else, and yeah, kind of like a little sleeper build, kind of classic look, and then you put your foot down and it's like, holy hell, what have I got myself into? Jesus. Like this is another level of crazy. I'm doing frickin' wheelies in 4th gear in the rain. I get bad traction in the rain and I still somehow lift off the ground. Okay, let's try and relax. So, yeah, it's not very good at handling, so it kind of just weaves around all the place. Also, the tyres like to go into the ground, as I'll show. Yeah, that's what they do. But anyway, yeah. This thing is just a bundle of fun and kind of death at the same time. God damn, this thing's undrivable. Come on. It's like trying to tame the goddamn beast, but it's the size of a frog. Oh, jeez. Just any throttle percentage. That's half throttle. Half throttle. Yeah, this thing is pretty insane. At least we can cruise in 6th gear. Okay, straight road. Let's see what this does in 6th. Whoa! Jeez, damn. Okay, this thing is a death trap no matter what gear you are in. Whoa, jeez! Oh my good god. Okay. This thing's a whole level crazier than I expected. You know what? I feel I have to turn around for this. I need to do this a second time because that was pretty crazy. Okay, let's see what happens. Whoa! Oh my god! All four wheels were off the ground then. Oh wow. Let's see what happens here. Oh damn! This thing is so light, it just does that. Okay, whoop. Okay. Floor it. Oh, oh, oh. Front. Oh. Come on. Yeah, death trap. Okay. Let's try this again. In first person. Whoa! Holy hell! What the? Okay, I'm gonna end it here because this thing is a death trap. It's not fun to drive. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next Forza video. Hopefully not in a death trap like this, but yeah. See you guys later. Make sure to subscribe, follow my social media accounts, all that cool stuff, and yeah. Peace.